In our earlier recording, we have seen the graphical effect of increase in the government expenditure on output. Now we are going to see that how do you calculate the multiplier in this case. Say for example, the model is y is equal to c plus I plus g. Fine. But what you are also given is that y is equal to c naught plus c1 y plus I plus g. So what I have done here is that I have written the form of the consumption function, which is c naught is the autonomous consumption and c1 is MPC. So what we can write is c naught plus c1y plus I plus g. Okay, so what I'll do is that I can take the terms with y on one side. What I'll be getting is I plus g. So this would be 1 minus c1 is equal to c naught plus I plus g, sorry, into y, and this would be y is equal to 1 minus c1 into c naught plus I plus g. Now I need to find out that what is the government expenditure multiplier, that is how output is going to increase when there is an increase in the government spending. So what I need to find out is what is dy by dg in this case, which is equal to 1 upon 1 minus c1, which is same as our spending multiplier, which we have seen earlier time. Okay, in our earlier recording, what we have seen is that using that geometric progression, we have found that 1 upon 1 minus c1 was the multiplier. Okay, here also, in case the government spending multiplier in this case is 1 upon 1 minus c1. Okay, so when in this case, when government expenditure has increased, say, by 200, okay, and MPC is say 0.8, then what is the level of the multiplier? 1 upon 1 minus 0.8, which is 1 upon 0.2, which is 1 upon 2 into 10, which is equal to 5. Okay, so multiplier is 5, and what you have learned here is that the amount of the government spending, the amount of increase in output is your delta y would be equal to government spending multiplier into the amount of increase in government expenditure. So that is equal to 5 into 200, which is equal to 1000. Okay, so government expenditure has increased by 200, but the amount of increase in output is by 1000. So that is the reason that g has just increased by delta g here, this distance, but output has increased by a larger distance. Okay.